Welcome. This video will guide you through finding and resetting the average fuel consumption on your Audi A4 B6 from 2000 to 2006. The trip computer displays this data, helping you monitor your car's efficiency. We'll cover how to access and reset it, whether you're using the original controls or modern diagnostic tools. The average fuel consumption is displayed on the multifunction display within your instrument cluster. This digital screen shows various vehicle information, including fuel data. Use the Car button on your dashboard or steering wheel controls to cycle through the instrument cluster menus. Navigate through the menus using the left and right arrow buttons until you reach the trip computer options. Then select Average Consumption. Keep in mind that the exact menu labels may vary slightly depending on your specific model year and regional variant. To manually reset the average fuel consumption using factory controls, first navigate to the average consumption display on your trip computer. Next, locate the Reset button, often marked with a stopwatch or triangle symbol on the instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for 2 to 3 seconds until the display clears to 0. This resets the calculation and provides a fresh average from that point forward. Modern OBD2 scanners like the Foxwell NT510 and smartphone apps such as Torque Pro or Carly can directly interface with your B6's ECU for more precise fuel consumption data. Smartphone apps offer convenient access through your phone, with costs typically ranging from $50 to $200. To use these tools, connect the scanner or app to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Navigate to the trip computer data in the Tools interface. Use the app's reset function to clear the average fuel consumption. This is especially helpful if your analog display is degrading. Resetting average fuel consumption is useful after refueling to establish an accurate baseline. This ensures the calculation starts fresh from a full tank, providing reliable data on your fuel efficiency from that point forward. For example, resetting after filling up prevents previous partial tank data from affecting your average readings, giving you a true picture of your vehicle's performance. It's also beneficial after maintenance, such as fuel pump replacements, to ensure correct readings. Repairs can affect sensor calibration, and resetting clears any skewed data from the old components. For instance, after replacing a fuel pump, resetting prevents old pump data from influencing the average, ensuring your display accurately reflects the new part's performance. Monitoring your average consumption helps identify potential issues, such as faulty fuel injectors skewing the numbers. If readings seem off, it could indicate problems that need attention. Symptoms like poor fuel economy or rough idling might show up in inaccurate averages, prompting you to check and clean or replace clogged injectors. Regularly resetting provides valuable insight into your driving habits and their impact on fuel efficiency. Tracking averages over different trips helps you adjust behavior for better economy. For example, comparing averages before and after trips can reveal how factors like highway driving versus city traffic affect your fuel use, encouraging more efficient habits. In summary, regular resets help maintain accurate monitoring and promote better vehicle care by catching issues early and encouraging efficient driving. If your average fuel consumption readings on the Audi A4 B6 seem consistently inaccurate, several factors could be at play. Common causes include faulty fuel injectors, incorrect sensor calibration, or software glitches, particularly in early model years. Faulty fuel injectors are a leading cause, affecting up to 30% of high-mileage B6 models. When injectors clog or fail, they deliver incorrect fuel amounts, leading to inaccurate consumption readings. Incorrect sensor calibration can also skew readings. The vehicle's fuel level sender or speedometer sensors may need recalibration after repairs or over time. Software glitches, especially in 2001-2003 models, can freeze or display incorrect averages. These often require ECU resets or firmware updates. To troubleshoot, start by resetting the ECU data using an OBD2 scanner. This has resolved 80% of reported inaccuracies in B6 models. Connect a compatible OBD2 scanner, such as a Foxwell NT510, to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Navigate to the ECU reset function and perform the reset, as demonstrated in AudiWorld threads. If inaccuracies continue despite resetting, the issue may require professional diagnosis by a qualified mechanic. For accurate fuel consumption monitoring, Reset your average after each full refueling to establish a clean baseline. Be mindful of your driving style, as aggressive acceleration and high speeds can significantly reduce your fuel economy. Compare your displayed average with manually calculated figures using miles driven divided by gallons used to verify accuracy. Remember that resets serve as diagnostic tools to help identify potential vehicle issues and optimize your fuel economy. While the Audi A4 B6 is a legacy system, understanding its fuel monitoring helps maintain its performance. Although no major updates are expected, community forums offer valuable tips. Modern tools bridge the gap, but remember that accurate resets pair with professional checks. As technology evolves, legacy vehicles can continue functioning with understanding and care. Thanks for watching.